Sunray launched MISPA 1.0 mechanical keyboard without backlight version. The mechanical keyboard adopts the simplified 87 fresh configuration, standard American layout, which will be quite friendly for shoulder compatibility. In terms of appearance, it is more a continuation of the previous design of SP Green.0. The border is full of folding surfaces and edges, and a small handlebar is extended under the bottom. Although it cannot support the wrist, it reduces the height of the bottom of the keyboard, which is more comfortable than the machine keyboard of the traditional narrow ice room design. Details: the keyboard cover shell fine frosted surface, at the same time, the surface into the tone of high gloss, decorative light bar full of luster, enhance the local texture. The unique logo of the whole keyboard is located in the middle of the glove, and the metal three-dimensional relief effect is also exquisite. Cherumsboy 1.0 machine keyboard is equipped with a set of apps material keycap as standard, and the surface is treated with layer A, and whether it is the original height of the keycap or the font style. It's all 6. Because the construction trade will be promoted at the same time, it is difficult to make an even income. In fact, Jianmao is the platoon department of the original factory's highly ergonomic collective society. Easy to use. The function configuration is 1.0 to enhance the rich combination of FN shortcut keys. Convenient multimedia lighting mode control and PB hardware operation are realized. Meanwhile, the standard configuration is sword-free. The functions listed above are even 2.0 and 3.0 does not have. No doubt, 1.0 is still more game-oriented in design. The support angle at the bottom of the keyboard is a left-right deployable structure, which has a better fixed effect for pushing the keyboard forward and backward. In addition, after the USB interface module is connected to the computer, the logo actually has a luminous effect, which is a bit unexpected.